Okay, so some more news coming in. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's big attack on the RJD and the Congress. He said, and I quote him, "Now in Bihar's development phase, RJD and Congress and the allies in the India bloc have again started mischief to obstruct progress. They've turned the issue into Vikas Banam Burkha, while Bihar is talking about development and wants to move forward. Congress and RJD are trying to provoke a debate over burkhas." Let's listen in.
दिखाई दे रहा है अब बिहार में विकास की इस दौड़ में बिहार की इस नई प्रतिस्पर्धा को बाधित करने के लिए फिर से आरजेडी और कांग्रेस में और उनके सहयोगी दलों में इंडी गठबंधन में फिर से एक उन्होंने शरारत शुरू की है और वह शरारत शुरू की है विकास बनाम बुरके का। जब भी बिहार विकास के बारे में चर्चा कर रहा है तब यहां पर बुरके को लेकर के कांग्रेस ने आरजेडी ने नई बहस को आगे बढ़ाने का कुत्सित प्रयास किया है।
Arunima is with us. Arunima, obviously the minority vote bank is something which everyone is being eyeing, not just the JDU, but that's also been the core of the Congress plus the RJD. But Yogi Adityanath, who always remains a star campaigner, his comments are very telling, isn't it? Because clearly the pitch is now going to be development versus appeasement.
Yes, and appeasement has been a big issue for the Bharatiya Janata Party. They've accused Congress, they've accused RJD, the famous MY combination that Lalu Prasad Yadav started. We tried to make it My Baap by also talking about the Bahujan, the Aghada, which is the forward, and also the Ati Pichhda. So he tried to make the Muslim Yadav combination into a all-encompassing My Baap issue. But on the ground, it's very clear that Muslims prefer the RJD, and I think that is what the Yogi Adityanath in his campaign is also saying, that we are talking about development, we are talking about infrastructural growth, but the narrative on the other side is still stuck on appeasement issue. And I will not be surprised, we saw it in earlier elections as well. Burqa-clad women going to vote has been made a big issue by the BJP, accusing that, fake votes are registered behind those veils. Yogi Adityanath's comment could get more impetus, could get more strength as we move closer to the voting date.
Absolutely. And the fact is that Rahul Gandhi is talking about caste. Tejasvi Yadav also spoke about the Muslim vote bank, and he talks about this minority which needs to be developed. The more they talk that, do you get a sense that there's more ammunition in the hands of the NDA, that what the focus really should be on local issues, and the local issues over here is need for development, and that development has already begun to happen because of the NDA Sarkar.
See, I think Yogi Adityanath is also putting out that stark reality of Mandal versus Kamandal politics. While the Kamandal politics or the politics of religion has worked in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party in UP, in Bihar it's a little bit of a problem because caste or Mandal is a bigger issue there. So if you want all Hindus, irrespective of their caste background, to unite because they are Hindus, in Bihar that kind of politics has not really paid as much dividend as in Uttar Pradesh. So when Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, comes and talks about Burkha Banam Vikas model, is he trying to ensure that across caste backgrounds, Biharis unite and support against the appeasement politics of Mahagathbandhan? It will be interesting to note if this time around Bharatiya Janata Party and JDU in the NDA alliance can ensure that caste dynamics become secondary and people look at other issues when they go out to vote.
Okay, so as